Hi all. So today in this video, we are going to see how we are going to write a program to check an integer is odd or even. So how do you find normally a number is odd or even is? If a number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, it will be an even number. And if it is not divisible by 2 and the remainder is there, then it is said to be odd number. So now we can see what are the ways that we can use to write a program. So we have three methods to write the program to find an integer, odd or even. So first method is brute force naive approach. So this is a simple and mostly used method to find an integer, odd or even. Next one is by checking the least significant bit, and third one is by using the bitwise operators, that is AND, OR and XOR. So today in this video, we will see only this brute force naive approach. Okay. So let me share the program, what we are going to do. So this is a program that we are going to use with a simple if-else program, that using the modulus function. So I have imported all the Java libraries that is required. So I have created the class file as odd even, and I have given the input as num equal to 21. So this is a number we have to, that is, this is the integer that we have to find, either it is odd or even. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to find the number as modulus is remainder is 0, then it will enter the number as even, or else it will go to the output printer like entered number is odd. Clear? This is a basic simple program. So now let's execute this program using the command prompt. So what is the thing we have to do? We have to go to our directory where we have shared the file. So now I move to my workspace. So what we have to do first, we have to compile the program. So Java C is a keyword used to compile the program, and odd even dot Java. So if there is no errors, it will create a class file in the folder, and it will again come back to the workspace. So now I have to run the program. So what I have to give, Java odd even. So now what will happen? The entered number is odd. So what is the input I have given is 21. So what now we can do is we can change the number. So I'll just go back to the program. So here we have given 21, right? So what I can do is I can just change the number to 40, and I am saving it. Now we'll run the program. We have changed the program, right? So we have to again compile the program. So Java AC odd even dot Java. So if there is no error, it will come back. So now I have to run the program. Clear? So the entered number is even. So this is the basic simple approach, that is brute naive force approach, which is a simple basic program. Clear? So in the next video, we will see the other two methods. That is by checking the least significant bit and using the bitwise operators. Thank you.